Robert Fix-It. You have been challenged to build a gaming PC for $150. Can you do it?
So it's 2024 and some of the rules about building a budget gaming PC have changed. I was talking with a few friends of mine and we decided to make another challenge for $150 and see who can build the best budget gaming PC in 2024. Welcome back, everyone, and we have another gaming PC budget build challenge. This time we're at $150. The challenge that I posted before of the $100 gaming PC challenge, not too many people were interested in. They said it just wasn't enough money, and that's fine. So we are raising the budget, and since there's so many $200 build challenges, I thought that $150 would be a nice medium. And we're going to have actually people participating this time. A couple of friends I reached out to said they will join. And we're going to have pre-builts okay. Anything is available to you. You can do whatever you want. And you just have to benchmark it and see who builds the best computer. And we're going to have extra credit for any creative style points and also RGB. So let's see what we can do. This is just the introduction, and then I'll have the actual entry in the part 2 of the video. Okay, I was just kidding. I just wanted to show you the $100 build that I had before. But we're going to start from scratch. I'm going to, this time around, not use stuff that's laying around. I want to actually go buy them and document the process, and I hope that others do the same. And just show people what you can do in real time, buying the parts, getting them shipped or picked up, assembling everything, and making a true gaming build. So I thought, since I don't have the actual parts yet, I would just go ahead and go over the options. The easy choice and what most people choose is the Optiplex. I actually have a budget Dell Optiplex build. I don't want to use that because I've made so many videos about it that I think nobody really wants to see that anymore. And so I'm going to try and do something different. And also, because there are points for creativity, using a Dell Optiplex is not all that creative, but it is very inexpensive and you will get better benchmarks. And then I've seen other gaming budget PC builds use the HPZ series of workstation, which is just basically the HP version of a Dell Optiplex. I've never actually had one myself. I'm looking for one. That's probably going to be my option, only because it's something that I've not done before. I think they look a little boring, but if it's cheap enough, then that gives us more room in the budget for better parts. We just have to kind of make it look a little better. Another option is you could just buy someone's old gaming PC. I mean, why not? Instead of spending all of this time trying to modify and build a pre-built to become a gaming PC, what if you could just buy one that beats all of those other ones and still be within budget? I did that before. I bought a pretty nice gaming PC for $120. It had a 6th gen i5. It had a GTX 1060. It had an SSD. I mean, it was ready to go. The case was terrible though. So that would have given me just $30 to change the case, and I would have had 100% nice gaming PC for $150. But some would say that's cheating. So we'll see. I don't think I'm going to go that route this time. I do want to assemble everything and, be the one that actually put it together instead of just buying something that somebody else already built. But if it's a challenge, I mean, if it competes, why not? I don't see any problem with that. And basically you spend 10 minutes buying the PC and you're in the challenge and you win, then hey, more power to you. So those are the basics. Just try to keep it in the $150 area. And I think with the other challenge that I posted, I think I was being too strict with rules and regulations and all of that stuff. I think it would be more fun if we just had more people involved, and we'll just keep it in the $150. If you go over by a couple dollars, we're not going to kill you. And if you have something that you've already built, that's fine. Just use, especially if you have something that you picked up for free, just try to use a value that was from eBay, like a recent sale within the last month, just so you can give people the list of costs, because when other people watch these videos, they want to know how much it costs and where to buy it and stuff like that. So it's not so much there's a winner and there's a loser, but we're trying to educate people about building budget gaming PCs, and you don't have to spend a lot of money to have a good time. So let's see what you have. Tag me or tag the other people in here, and I think there's a Discord for talking about it. And let's have a little friendly competition. We'll see ya.
I challenge you